And welcome back, everybody, on a Tuesday night run. We are going to start it off with bringing the bikes in. Hurricane on the way, so we got to get all the bikes cleaned out. So let's do it. I thought I'd bring you guys with me. You guys didn't get to see it the last time. These are two more bikes we just picked up earlier today. So when talking to Nacho the other day, I think we decided that it's only bikes that Rusty takes. So, and the bike that I donated. You're not getting away with that one, Nacho. The bike that I donated to Mike and Jill at the yard. He's not robbing me of that one. Alright, bike number 2, here we go. Uh-oh, wifey's home. Wifey's home, but she's not happy. We have to do a bunch of work on her car. So, life is different right now. Apologize about the AC. Oh. This may be one of the ones that he doesn't take. Say hi. Say hi to the YouTube audience. Tell them how happy you are with your car right now. So happy. Puke, vomit. She's gonna be alright. God knows saying, it'll make it tough. I learned that when I was plumbing. Digging rough ends. So my boss used to tell me. It makes it tough. Bike number 4. I may try that speed thing that Nacho does, whereas he speeds up the video. Watching me bring all these bikes in. Come on. Oh, Nacho. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, like I said, sorry about your luck. Sometimes people ask me, don't you want to try for the boy? Don't you think? Nope. That time has come, and that time has passed. Look at that, huh? A little band or something. Look at that bird. What's up, bird? Yeah! Yeah! I wish I was a bird. Look at that. That was fun. Usually I am a huge hurricane guy. I love them. But I am just not into this right now. I am just... Alright, well, it's starting to rain. And you guys get the gist. I will take a picture of when it's all done to load. But I don't know. I think we're up to like 26 bikes or something. Oh, here comes the rain. Alright. Well, hopefully we can record at Rusty's. So, see you in a little bit. Alright, I wanted to stop real quick and pull over and get a final bike count real quick because the weather is not cooperating. It has rained on us a lot coming over. So I don't know if we're going to be able to film at Rusty's. There's some other reasons for that too. I'll explain a little later on whether if we do or if we don't. So, what I wanted to do was just go through, touch all the bikes and give you guys a count before and after. So I got 1 here on the green one, 2 on the other green one, Teal is 3, little guy here is 4, Mongoose is 5, Huffy is 6, Mongoose is 7, Schwinn is 8, Huffy is 9, Next is 10, and whatever that one is on the outside is 11, Avengers is 12, pink one is 13. This pink one here is 14. This one is 15, 16, 17. Come to the back. 18, 19, 20. Got 21. 22, 23, 24 right here, 25, 26 on the Gary Fisher, 27, 28. 28 bikes. That is the official count. 28. Alright, we are just getting back. Jesus. That thing sounded horrible. Alright, just getting back. I'm going to try to get fancy on the recording and show all the numbers and letters and just show you everything that I'm about to say up on the screen. So that will be a thing, maybe, if we can figure it out. So, here's the deal. We brought in 28 bikes. They accepted 26. Oh, the fam's home. They accepted 26. 2 of them we had before November 1st, but 1 we donated to Mike and Jill at the yard for their grandson, which brings us to a total of 25 bikes donated. So that is what it is right now. My number is 25 bikes after a week. Alright, hi everybody. This is, it is actually Wednesday night. We're about to get into this hurricane, but I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick about Rusty's the other day and why I didn't film in there and why I do not do much filming in there. If you watch the Rusty video, the first one that I put out, you will notice in the background that there's stuff blurred out. And that's because Rusty has a young man who works there who is a teenager who does not want to be on camera. Is pretty adamant about it. It makes him uncomfortable even when the cameras come out. So he volunteers there, great with bikes. So we just want to make him feel as comfortable as possible in his space. So that's why I didn't film there. So for Nacho, if you do film while you're over there, he is going to ask you to blur out his face. And we please ask that we respect that. That was another reason. I don't know how to do that on this program yet or anything like that. So that, and I just don't want to stress him out. So, all right, thank you all. Just wanted to...
Alright, welcome back to regular Christmas Day Miracle. We actually found something. Oh, it's raining. I don't know if you guys can see it. No water heater action. I am almost... Oh, don't do that. I am almost through my first neighborhood. And this is the first thing that we got. Usually do 3 neighborhoods on a Tuesday night. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I got the camera on and protected. And Kappa. Really, let's get busy. Let's get busy tonight. We're already out in the rain. Yeah, the 2 bikes didn't make the cut right when the rain starts. Boom, back out in it. Nice little grill. Still raining. Oh, and I'm wet. Oh, I'm wet. I was just saying to myself, it'd be cool if I was wet. And then boom, just like that. Wet. Yeah. Oh yeah, jump in. Oh, it's so wet. Oh. Bring me. Oh, it's wet. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, he's falling on my face. Goodness. These things. Well, I'm not really into pulling all these off. Holy crap. Everybody, I think more people are just going to try to ride out this storm. Which, who knows? Who knows what that is? If that's a good thing or a bad thing or... I don't know. We didn't get a lot of time on this storm. Yes, metal. Very good, very good. Oh, and this is heavy. Maybe I hit the button in my pocket. This thing drives me nuts. It does. It really does. Oh. Alright. Well, this is pretty much like 2 nights in a row that we started off really bad. Like, if we get anything, we'll be happy. We've kind of leveled out a little bit, maybe. I thought tonight was going to be busy. But, I like the saying, a little bit of something's better than a whole lot of nothing. So, I'm gonna hold true to that. Where's my clicker?
Okay, happy Hurricane Wednesday. So that's fun. A little hurricane action. It's already getting windy. So, this is the load from last night. Not a whole lot of craziness. Weight bench is finally going. Had enough. It's been on Marketplace for 3 weeks. Hasn't sold. Goodbye. Alright, well, boom. That's that. Let's go get it. Alright, sorry about that. I was being a very bad host. I actually forgot all about you guys. Just walk around with this thing on my head now. Oh, do you record? No. Nope, just walk around with it on my head. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so it's a Wednesday. We got some people in some neighborhoods who call us when they see something. So we got a phone call and said, hey buddy, there's some stuff out here. A water heater right there and these car doors. And I said, oh well, that's just outstanding. I will be right there. So here I am. We came running right out. Grab some stuff. Try to get it all filled up. The best that we can. Yeah! Thank you, brother! And that was him. That's our buddy Brian. If you're in the Central Florida area and you need a plumber and you don't call me, that's the guy to call. Plumbing Tech of Central Florida. He's awesome. If I wasn't a plumber, that'd be the only person I called. Come on. Oh, easy, girl. Easy. All right. Easy. Shoot this for right in the middle there. Get a nice strap on it. Finish up this neighborhood and get to the yard. They're probably like, what is going on? Where's Mike at? Where's Junkman 5000? He's out collecting junk. Different. Kids are home. That's fun. As of right now, wifey's car isn't. There was a clog in the leak, clog in the Freon system, and we thought we were gonna have to buy a new compressor, and it was gonna be $1,000, and this, that, and the next. And then she was waiting in the car line, and we scheduled it up to get the work done and everything else. What are you going to do? And, what was I saying? Hello? Hello? Just banged my head. Dory! Compressor. So, yeah, she was sitting in the car line yesterday, and all of a sudden, air started blowing fine. So, man, CJ was like, yeah, sometimes that happens. I guess clogs can unclog, maybe, thing, twice. So, I've yet to hear back from her today saying that it didn't go well, so that's the thing. Alright, pretty much everything's just going. Those doors are aluminum. They're probably going in. I said light earlier. They're probably going in as heavy. shoulder. What'd y'all do to my shoulder? Ugh. You know, this whole unloading process would go a lot quicker if you guys didn't just watch. You guys jumped in and lent a hand, you know? We're a team now. We're all part of this big YouTube family team. So, uh-oh. Oh, that one actually come out easy? Holy moly. My shoulder really don't feel good though. Here we go with the holy molies again. Holy moly. Oh, easy. Stop it. What year did we say this was? I don't think we looked up a year. Oh, give me a label. Oh, there she is. Down here. That's an 08. Maybe that's something we should track. Track the earliest made water heater that we could find. Where are we at right now? I think we had a 96 the other day. Deal. Just gotta find a place to write it down. So my scatterbrained ass don't forget. 96. I was a sophomore in high school. Oh. Freaking tiles. Ooh, that wasn't too bad. Off you go, Geronimo. This thing is pretty heavy. Holy schmaggle. Uh-oh. Holy crap. Thank God they didn't hit the truck. Don't hit the truck. Well, yeah, I would like for you to come out. Could you do that? Uh-oh. Boom. Nice. I like that. I don't think this one's happening like that. Cut off all this wire though. Take the wire though. This is all going over to our main man Jeffy. Alright. Good. Let's go. All the noise. Craziness. Oh, dude. That is... Yeah. Oh, crap. I don't think there's enough of... That ain't even... Yep, it's going in the pile. Alright. Ooh. She had a little sharp edge on her. Tried to grab me. Bite me. She be biting me. Fella. My wrist feels so good. Right now, right now, right now. Alright, here we go. I wonder if our buddy Nacho is running today. Alright, let's get some copper, huh? Best way for this copper to come off. See if we're gonna hit her. Ow! I know. I know. Pretty good amount of copper there. Uh-oh. Ow! It hit my other finger. God. Oh! Look at that. I'm bleeding. Oh! Man. What a day. What a day. I love it. There it goes. I love it. What can you do? Sometimes you gotta get banged up to know that you're alive. Off we go. Off we go to the wild blue yonder. Alright, so you guys have seen it. There ain't anything crazy going on here. Everything else is going in the pile. Goodbye. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Wouldn't that be the case? As soon as I hit play, the wind just kind of dies down. So, it is about 9:30 on a Wednesday, and that's the day. So, we may go shoot some footage. I have to do 2 videos today. There's out video. We got a hurricane coming, so I got to clean up the yard, things like that. So, luckily, we just did that, and we did a lot of that yesterday. We're getting the bikes out, getting the side all cleaned up. So, good to go. That run, there wasn't much out there last night. Don't know how the night video, if it was, I apologize if it's, the audio's bad, because it was in the case. So, we did about 800 pounds though, right around 60 bucks. So, nights like that, we'll take it. That puts us at, I don't know, about 6,500 pounds for the week. So, we'll be doing a 58 week this week. That's alright. There's a hurricane coming in. So, y'all have a great day. Take care of one another. Appreciate all the support. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do that.